Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I want to make this I'm trying to make it a really quick video, but this is the recent Kscraft's June release. I believe it's the June release. Yep, 2024 June release. Look at this. I ordered it off of Ali. I used Kscraft's link. So Hannah has a YouTube channel. She does the releases videos on her YouTube channel, and when you catch it early enough, you could get the bundle at a discount price. I love that they're having the label for the bundle on there. I also love that she has it all in this nice little package. I love this. So now I know these are all the June release, and that's all I ordered. I ordered it through AliExpress, and it came pretty quick. So now you've all seen the June release already, but I just want to show you what I have. And yes, I'm a little distraught right now because I just came running up from getting the mail. Anyway, so this is the June release, and here are her shadow words. There's several words in this one. It says creamery, treat, sweet, I believe, and I don't know what the other words say, but anyway, Hannah, I love that you're doing these little bags with the whole bundle. But oh my gosh, I really want these in like the bags that we get from Amazon. But that's just me. I'm just, expressing myself. But anyway, so you guys see here, it says ice cream. It says yum with the exclamation mark. And then this one says, I don't know what that one says. Yeah, I don't know what that one was. But anyway, you get 6 words, and you get the shadows with the words, which is pretty awesome. And I love the new script that they're using. Here is a shaker. There is a fruit theme. There is a like Father's Day theme, and there's also ice cream theme. So it's a mix. So this one is the shaker grapes. And then here's the new script again. It's a really skinny font. This one says strawberry, fruity. This will go with the fruit release with the grapes. This one says sweet, several words. And I'm loving this font. It looks like the neon lights, you know what I mean? Like if you see the neon lights at the restaurants, that's what it reminds me of. This is the add-on for the fruit stand that I have already. It has the words fresh flowers and fruit. So you could put fresh flowers or fresh fruit or fresh flowers and fruit. And then you have several pieces to make a banner. And you've got these little, like I want to call them little coins. And then they're the little fruit basket right here. So you also get some fruits, some strawberries that you could put in the strawberry basket. I love that add-on. I do have the fruit stand die already, so that's going to be great. Actually, I should put these together. Here is the watermelon shaker. How cute. You get the little watermelon seeds. And then you've got the rind to layer onto our watermelon. It's so cute. Watermelon slice. And then here you have the ice cream cone. You can make it into a shaker. And I think this says snow cone. Oh, snow cone. So it's a snow cone, but you could also make it an ice cream cone. Do whatever. Float your boat. So I'm going to put that with the ice cream theme. Here's some strawberries. Pineapple fruits. Oh gosh, I'm terrible. Pineapple, star fruit, a pear, and some lemon and some strawberries. And you also get an apple. So you got the pineapple slice and half a slice of pineapple. This could be for the watermelon. Yeah. So you get a layering piece for the watermelon. So great embellishment pieces, nice sizes to that. And there's the layering piece for the star apple. Oh my gosh, here's the pear. You can see that there. Very nice. Oh my gosh, I love this theme. The fruity theme, and everybody's been having like fruit swaps lately. I'm so happy I have these now. And then keeping in theme with the Kscraft banners, she came out with the fruit banners. So you have the strawberries and you got the layering pieces for the top of the strawberry, and then the strawberry itself to show the seeds and stuff. You've got cherries, bananas, and like lemon or lime. It could be whatever, or grapefruit even. So that is a great addition for the fruit theme. And here's more for the ice cream. You get the ice cream sundae. Very cute. You have a spoon, you have the bowl, and then you also have the base. Then you have the layering piece that you could turn into the shaker bits, and then you have the ice cream scoops to put on top. We even have a drizzle and a cherry. How cute. That's going to be fun. This one is a seashell box. I think it's like, there's a handle here too. So you could turn this into a little seashell purse. That's cool. Love that little gift set. I'm going to put that here for like a beach theme. And then she also has the fruit truck. Oh my gosh. And it comes with ice cream. Oh, it's an ice cream truck. Oh my God, Eileen. So here's the ice cream truck. And then you've got the little layers for the pennant here. Has ice cream there. And then you have a little banner. This is microscopic. Oh my gosh, I love that. And I guess these are the wheels. You layer on the pieces for the wheels. And then you also get the ice cream. Oh my gosh. And they also have layering pieces. How tiny. Don't throw those scraps away. I'll put that with the ice cream. And here is a bag topper. It says, this one says Tutti Fruity. So, oh, that's cute. With all the fruit. Oh my gosh. Make all the embellishments and put your bag topper on there. Be perfect. All right. So here we have the beach theme again. You got a little coconut. I believe this is a mini album. I want to say it's a mini album. And she's got all the embellishments. So she's got the umbrella here. You got the layering piece here. This is the top part of your coconut drink. I don't want to take anything out, guys. Can you tell? So here's your straw, and you've got the layering pieces for them. You got a bunch of flowers and leaf ephemeras to decorate your tropical drink on the front. I believe this is a mini album. It could be whatever. You can make it into a box even. You can make it into a tag flip. Oh, so many ideas for this one. I would definitely love to get cracking on that. Unfortunately, I won't be doing any of that anytime soon because I'm moving, guys. I really just didn't want to miss out on that bundle price. And so that's why I had to jump on this. This is the only thing I got off of AliExpress was the bundle set. Here is that gorgeous tote everyone has been playing with. I've seen all the design team members messing with this little tote. It's so adorable. It's three-dimensional. And so you have, this little piece to turn them into a box. And then you've got the layering pieces for the handle. This says sunny. This says beach. And this says vibes. Oh my gosh, love this. And then you also have another word, and I think that says days. Sure does. It says days, D-A-Y-S. So here's the layering piece for your bags. Oh my gosh, so many embellishments. I love all the multiple pieces. This is going to be a great one to mess with for the summertime if I ever get to spend summer in my craft room. Probably won't be till next year. But yeah, there you go. And then here's another bag. So she got a bag topper for the fruit theme. And you have a bag topper for the ice cream theme. It says ice cream. It says sundaes. Oh, that's perfect. Ice cream sundaes. Oh my gosh. Can you imagine this bag topper put together with the sundae? Oh my gosh. So fun. So fun. You've got that bag topper and the fruit bags. That's so cute. I love all the themes. Oh, I guess there is no dad theme. I don't know what I was thinking. Or maybe that was last month's. I don't know. Maybe it was, because that's the one I missed out on. And then here is a little pocket It's a little pocket die set for those junk journalers out there. Look at this. Just for this thing right here alone is why I would say it's worth it. This is a tag, you know, for your junk journals or for your file folders, whatever it is you want. Sorry guys, I had a phone call. So anyway, the last piece in this this little bundle, the main real reason I bought it was for this ice cream truck. It's a mini album and it's got all the accoutrements for it. I love it. It's a little mini album and it's got everything that you could think of. There's even the chair. Oh my gosh. So I know you've all seen it. I can't wait to play, but it's not going to be anytime soon. I'm sorry guys. But anyways, thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It's just to help my little channel stay a little, you know, active, I guess. It's as active as it can be. Not active at all. But anyway, thank you anyways, and I'll see you all on the next one. Bye.